Today we will show you how to install and set up tubeless tires on a gravel or mountain bike.
First, find the valve stem hole in the rim. Once you have pinpointed the spot, start taping just to one side of the wheel. Sometimes the wheel may come pre-taped, but in this example, the way that you would go about taping is by starting at where the valve is and preferably a few inches away from it, so that it can cover it properly. Once you have pinpointed the spot, begin taping. You want to tape the wheel until you have at least 2 to 3 layers of tape on the rim. After that, puncture a hole through the tape where the valve stem would be installed at. Get your valve stem out and begin by taking it apart by removing the valve stem lock ring and cap off. Then install your valve stem through the tape. Reinstall the valve lock ring. Now you're ready to put your tire on. Snug your bead into the rim. You might need a tire lever to help you in doing this. Work your tire all the way around the wheel until it is seated into the rim. At this point, your tire is almost ready to go.
Add sealant to the tire.
Add your valve core back into the valve stem and add air. Give the whole setup a good shake so your sealant is evenly dispersed throughout the tire. And done! You have just learned how to install and set up your tubeless tire.